Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make easy prawn curry. So let's get started. I've got here some oil for cooking, some hot water, 1 large onion chopped, salt to taste, half a can of diced tomatoes, 1 kilo of prawns, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, 1 chili minced or some chili powder if you like, 5 cloves of grated garlic, half a teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of paprika which is optional, 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 2 tablespoons of curry powder. To make your curry, take a pan, put it on medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of oil and heat the oil. When your oil gets hot, add your chopped onions, give it a mix and cook it until the onions get a light brown color. Now add your curry leaves, cumin and mustard seeds, give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Add your prawns, garlic, 1 teaspoon of paprika, curry powder, turmeric, fresh chilies or chili powder if you like, and salt. Mix it well. Put a lid on. Lower the heat and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add tomatoes and enough hot water to just cover up the prawns. Give it a mix. Taste your salt. It doesn't need any salt and bring it to a boil. My prawns have started to boil now. Give it a mix. Put a lid on, leaving a small gap for the steam to escape and cook it for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, give it another mix and taste your salt again. It doesn't need any salt. Turn the heat off and garnish it with some fresh or frozen coriander leaves. I'm using frozen coriander leaves. If you want to know how to freeze coriander leaves, I'll put a link below. My prawn curry is ready. Enjoy it with rice or rotis. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel.